In this Animal Performance Plus training video, we are going to be talking about the Graph and Compare tab in Groups. The Graph tab gives you some high-level performance indicators relating to your selected group. This includes a weight distribution graph, letting you see how your weights are distributed. A weight range graph, which lets you see how many animals you have above or below a certain weight. For instance, I might want to see how many animals in this group are above 240 kilos to get a sense of how the group is performing against their targets. We also have an average weight and average daily gain graph so you can see how your group has been performing over time. Compare allows me to compare up to 3 groups together to benchmark their performance. By selecting another group from the list and clicking Apply, you can see the graphs update with 2 datasets. You can compare the current live weight distribution of the groups you are comparing, as well as the average weight and ADG over time, so you can see how these groups have performed over time. The information in these screens helps you get an overview of how your groups are performing to help you make better individual and group management decisions.